So welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna do another update on the young birds, and I'm gonna do something that I usually don't do today. I'm also gonna feed the pigeons a little bit. So yeah, during breeding season you always have to feed more than enough food. They don't have to be on flying conditions, so they can be a little bit fat. And obviously they're all having a nest, so they have to feed for the 2 or 1 young bird that they have as well. So yeah, I usually grab a big basket like this. I believe there's a number on it somewhere. Yeah, on the bottom, 40, so that's for 40 pigeons. That's about 17 grams per pigeon, because we feed them twice a day. Oh, looks like there's already a little one out of the nest. So that's gonna be one from there, obviously. Just try and put him back. So yeah, as you can see, they've gotten quite big since the last update video I did. This is the grizzle's nest. Now you can really see the colorations. So obviously 2 blue bars, not a single grizzle. These are gonna be 2 red bars. This one might have like the little flakes, little pencil coloration going on, and that's going to be a blue bar with white flights, and the other one is going to be a check with white flights. So this guy is still a little bit on the young side. Yeah, I believe they're going to be a pencil and a check, and then Mr. Old Guy over here. Obviously it's not his pigeon, but yeah, gonna be a blue bar. Let's move over and feed these guys. My dad usually feeds them over here, but I'm gonna put it in the feeding tray. I should try and spill as less as possible on the floor, because they will eat it out of the floor as well. So yeah, it's actually better to have the feeding trays with a opening top, so you don't spill as much, but yeah, we don't have those. So for the young birds in here, this is gonna be a really dark one. Yeah, it might be a really dark check, or it might turn out to be all black. This one's gonna be all black. Those 2 are siblings. Why are you laying next to the nest? Obviously a blue bar. Yeah, and I believe these guys, I'll just move over. I believe them to be blue bar as well. Oh no, this one does have some white in it. Yeah, so one darker blue bar. Yeah, the one sitting in the front is a little bit darker, and the one in the back is a blue bar with white flights. These guys seem to be a little bit younger. Looks like the one in the back might have some white. No, minimal. These guys are feeding right now. Try and get some feeding footage. You can go over there. Yeah, as I said, the food in this time of year is not weighed out. We just give them as much as they want. Basically, we feed them twice a day. We used to only feed them once a few weeks ago, but yeah, when they're laying with kids, it's better to feed them twice, so that's what we do. So yeah, let's move on over. And as you can tell, look at the remaining seeds in the tray. They're pretty much all the corn and the big seeds. They pick the small seeds first because they're easier to feed to the little ones. Yeah, there he goes already. Let's try to get a close-up of that. Yeah, that's what that is. I'm going to take whatever's left and give these ones a little bit more, because usually there is a little bit there are a little bit more pigeons on here. The other loft only has 4 nests, I believe, or 5 nests, but only 1 chicken in one, so this one can have a little bit more. Yeah, looks like they've had enough. So let's move on over to the upstairs. Oh yeah, these guys can have a little bit as well. While we're at it, why not? Yeah, this is the one with the wonky eye. It's actually a pretty tame pigeon. We used to use him as stropper because he got too sick to fly, so, and he's actually not too bad of a dropper bird, so yeah. So next I usually take another scoop for upstairs, but sometimes I take it out of the big basket upstairs as well. But it's basically the same feed, so yeah, see, here's another basket, but it's basically the same feed. Let's turn the lights on. These guys are really hungry. They pretty much always are really hungry. They can almost get an entire basket of 40 pigeons. So yeah, still got a little bit, but I'm gonna feed that in a bit once they're done feeding a little. So yeah, these are gonna be the oldest young birds on this loft. My dad said one of them did have a little defection in his wing. I don't know which one. This one looks fine. There used to be, he said, there was one with a droopy wing, but I can't really tell which one. they look fine to me. So yeah, if any of you guys just saw what he meant. Oh, this one might be move over. Nope, looks exactly the same. I don't know. So yeah, these are gonna be the oldest. Like I said before, I already said the colors in the last video, so this one's a blue bar, but it has a little bit of a red bar shine to it. Seems to have a pretty blue color though, so not really sure. This one's quite obvious. A lot of our pigeons have this color. So that's pencil or check. And last year we had a majority of blue bars, which we usually don't have too many of. Yeah, let's move over to the fan favorites. They look to have grown significantly. And that's quite nice. Really white color, even whiter than, oh no, this one's a little bit darker. Look, this one is really light and this one's a little bit darker. Let's put it back so they can feed them in a little. Oh, this one looks quite nice as well. Look at this one's head. This one's got a really nice head. White flights as well. You can already tell that's going to be one of my favorites. I like it when the pigeons have some white on their head, so, and it's also of a really good couple, so yeah, who knows. This is what you don't really see too many of. This is actually of the same nest, so yeah, the mother is a red bar, I believe. Yeah, the mother is a red bar with pencil. And this one, yeah, so this one's gonna be, actually it might be a red one. Might be like a really dark red. Not really sure. Or it's gonna be a red bar check. Yeah, might be that. But yeah, since these guys are pretty much done feeding, I'm gonna give them a little bit more. Like I said, you can never give them enough. So yeah, let's move on over. So this is the one of the mean, really mean cockbirds. Probably gonna be a blue bar. This one's gonna be a blue bar as well. Oh, this one's got two different colors as well. My bad. So this one looks to be a red bar, and the other one is a blue bar, but with some blue bars have these little, I don't know, it's not really a pencil, but more of a blue bar, in between of a blue bar and a pencil, so that's quite obvious, gonna be a pencil. A red bar, but a really light one. yeah. And these guys, not really too sure yet. These are one of the youngest on the nest. Looks like they might be blue bar. So yeah, that's gonna be that. Let me try and get some more feeding footage for you guys, for close-ups of the pigeons. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the quite big progress the young birds have made, and I got a few questions asking how much you should feed the birds during breeding season, so I hope this has answered that. Yeah, so as always guys, have a nice day and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.